Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change your brakes on your Mercedes-Benz CLK 550. This is the W209, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'm going to jack up the car and remove the wheel. To start off this brake job, I'm going to remove the 2 pins and the retainer clip. And now that the pin and the retainer clip is out, the brakes are now removable. And before taking the old brakes out, I'm going to push the piston back. With this way, I'll be able to install my new brakes without any extra tools. Now installing the new pads is pretty straightforward. Because I've already pushed the piston back, the brakes are going to slide right into place. But before installing the brakes, a very important step is to make sure you install some brake grease, because if you don't, your brakes are going to be very squeaky. Now that I have my new pads installed, I'm going to reinstall the brake pad sensor, and I'm also going to install the retainer clip and insert the pins back into place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to change your brake pads on your Mercedes CLK W209. And if this video's helped you out, please don't forget to hit the like and share button. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.